Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Wholesale inflation eases slightly in March. RBI warns inflation will remain sticky. And markets end flat. First up, inflation has eased slightly but remains higher than both analyst expectations and RBI's comfort zone. New figures released on Monday showed India's wholesale price index for March stood at 6.89%. That's only marginally lower than the previous month's 6.95%. The latest numbers give reason for both cheer and concern. On the one hand, manufacturing inflation has slipped by nearly a percentage point to 4.87%. But food prices in India remain high and could put more pressure on overall inflation. And with inflation remaining at least steady, there's greater expectation the Reserve Bank will cut rates in its policy statement on Tuesday. But RBI indicated caution is necessary. Its macroeconomic report on Monday said inflation was likely to remain sticky at its current levels for the rest of the fiscal. It added that risks to inflation were still on the upside. The report also said monetary policy would have to support growth without fueling excessive demand. RBI has been waging an extended battle against inflation. It has left its policy rates unchanged since late last year, but that came after 13 hikes between March of 2010 and October of 2011. Still, many analysts are hoping the Reserve Bank will cut interest rates by 25 basis points on Tuesday. And finally, Indian markets ended flat on Monday. The Sensex closed at 17,151, up by 56 points, and the Nifty jumped up 19 points to close at 5,226. And it was a great day for Tata Motors, as its stocks were on a 52-week high. Its shares jumped by almost 4% to 300. Maruti Suzuki, on the other hand, was up 1.41% at 1,342. India's largest lender, State Bank of India, was up almost 2.5% at 2,265. ICICI Bank was up by 1% to close at 873. On the other hand, shares of heavyweights RIL fell 0.39% to 748, and ONGC was down by 0.54% at 259. Shares of IT giant Infosys fell 1.41% post its fourth quarter results. The stock closed at 2,369, while other IT firms traded in the green. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.